Good morning, 7th grade scholars. The first thing you're going to do today is a review of some rational number operations. So remember, whenever you see minus and negative, you turn that into a plus sign. So this would be negative 4/10 plus, and then it would just be 2 and 1/10. So we have to be careful. This is like I owe 40 cents. I have $2 and 1 cent. So basically what you're doing is you're subtracting. And I would be left with $1.70. If I look at number 6 right here, oh, I still see minus and negative, so then I would just turn it into a plus sign. 3/4 plus 1/4 is 4/4, which equals 1 whole. Number 8 again, I see minus and negative. I would turn that into -1 plus 1/4. So this is like I owe $1, I have 1/4 or 1/4. So I pay back that quarter, I still owe 3/4 of $1 or 75 cents. So the sum would be negative. After that, you have some multiplication practice, some division practice, and then our new thing today would be volume. So guys, you have two volume formulas. Volume of a prism, which is V equals capital B times height. Volume of a pyramid, which is V equals 1/3 capital B times height. Now I know Ms. Hood and you guys have been talking about the difference between a prism and a pyramid. So a pyramid comes to a point at the top. A prism does not. It has like a little line on top. So number 25, I see that I'm looking at a pyramid. I also see I'm looking at a square pyramid. My base is square. So I have my square base with dimensions of 7 kilometers and 7 kilometers, and then I'm given my height is 11. So I'm going to substitute it in. Volume equals 1/3 capital B, guys. So capital B means area of the base. If your base is a square, I need to do my base times height, or side times side, which would be 7 times 7 to find what goes for capital B. 7 times 7 is 49. So capital B equals 49. So it's going to be 1/3 times 49 times your height is 11. So then you would go ahead and work that out. And you'd get an answer when you do it of volume equals 179 and 6/10 kilometers cubed. Number 26 is exactly the same. 28 is different because it is not a square pyramid, it's a triangular pyramid. And then 27 and 29 are prisms. So for prisms, it would just be volume equals capital B times H. So now I see that the height of the whole prism is 5, so I label that height. To find my capital B, well, here's my base. I need to find the area of the base. It's a triangle, so I would do 1/2 base times height. B equals 1/2. My base would be 4. My height would be 3. And then 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 1/2 is 6. It's the same as dividing by 2. So volume equals 6 times 5. Volume equals 30 meters cubed.